How's it going, everyone? For those of you that don't know me, I'm Jaws if you catch me on the battlefield. Yes, I'm Jeremy if you catch me online gaming. I'm an avid airsofter and an avid gamer. I tend to go to an arena called BattleCat Sports in Anderson, South Carolina. I've been going there for about 3 years. We've recently started up a new style of gameplay called MilWars. It is a mil-sim style-oriented gameplay. It's objective-based with teams, restricted ammo counts, medic rules. It's really intended to go through and let people see what it's like to experience a mil-sim without having to go to a mil-sim yet, because not everyone can fork out the money to go to a mil-sim, and mil-sims aren't happening all the time. So I wanted to put a video together to kind of illustrate what it's like to play this gameplay, to see the difference, because a lot of you that I'm used to, or that are used to playing indoor games, I'm sure are used to a lot of this and a lot of this. So this gameplay was created to stop that habit, break people up from winning by volume of fire, and try to balance it more on tactics and teamwork rather than putting rounds downrange. So check out the video, leave comments below, let me know what you think. We're still revising everything. It's kind of in beta, but as it takes off and more people start to show up and more people tend to make a habit of coming out for it, we'd love to make it a regular occurrence.
I guess we can put this magazine in now?
Yeah, you're good. So they really broke up a lot of these long lanes, because you used to be able to see almost straight down the corner here. The alley is totally different.
Alright, so we're really going, like, you can see the opposite end of the wall, right? Like that, down there by that roll-up door, that's the other side?
Correct.
And is there another area tucked into the right, kind of like this is over there?
Correct.
Okay.
And now you used to be able to go down this alley here. This alley's broken up now. So don't run down here thinking you can run past this van, because you can't run past the van anymore. You have to go through the van if you want to get past.
I've never actually done.
Take a second, just kind of walk for a moment, kind of get familiar with what's up.
And basically, these platforms we can't go on, but up there, no.
Correct.
Okay.
This is the only.
Anywhere there's a cone, don't get past.
Yep. You can get up on this. This is the only wood you can stand on. This is it.
30 seconds!
Very effective though.
Yeah.
Are we actually going to do this like stack up 1 or 2 teams squad style, or?
Probably not. It usually doesn't hold out that way. Alright.
Is there an objective right now?
What's that?
Is there an objective right now?
There's an objective. There are 5 points that we have to flip. We want green flags up.
Okay.
And then there's a bomb we want to assemble. I need a medic. Who wants to be medic? I can't be.
I'll be.
Yeah, no, I'm not even ready.
Oh.
You're good. Alright. There's a flag down this alley before the van that we want to get flipped up. Hit! Medic!
We got one.
Medic!
One's moving left, there's one left. There's one going to the left. I don't think he's got another one. Watch your left. You got a good shot? guys got the rear?
Alright, I gotta cut this shit in half. That's why I hate that van.
Okay.
You're good.
There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, we got one right over here. Ricochets do not count. Ricochets do not count. Direct hit. Direct hit. But when in doubt, call it out.
We need a flag. The guy in the van's down. There's a flag in front of the van. We have to flip. Yeah. Flip the flag. We want green side up. Green side up. All right, we got that flipped? Green side's up, right? Yeah. All right. We've got 5 of those. There's 2 on this lane, 1 in the middle, 2 on the other side. What's going on over there?
That's 2. Where's the other one?
In the middle, we've got, each side has 2 on it, 1 close, 1 far, and then there's 1 in the middle here.
Oh, we got bomb too.
Yeah, but the bomb's a tricky one. What's going on here? There's a contact through the door on the left behind the bunker.
Remember, you're on the wall. You gotta wait 1 minute. Thank you.
What's going on? Watch the back left. Where's number 2 medic? Where the hell's our medic? If you guys are down, call for medic. Medic! Where's number 2 medic?
I think he's out of bandages.
Once you respawn, you take your bandage back off. If it's one of his, get it to him. If it's yours, get it back in your pocket.
Talk to each other. Talk to your teammates. Call out the team.
Respawn?
If it's been a minute, go back to the wall, then you have to wait another minute.
Hey, I'm coming up.
Stay low.
Where they at?
One down here, he's hit. I don't know beyond that.
We can't get around here, can we?
Watch the back left.
Oh, they're walking. Okay. We got 2 dead over here.
Where's our medic?
6 minutes remaining!
Watch that back left.
6 minutes remaining!
6 minutes remaining.
Where's number 2 medic? Medic! Number 2 medic!
Y'all have to talk to each other, work with each other. Being slow does not make you good.
Where's team 2 medic?
Half of us are dead right here.
We gotta get a guy with our medic to move around and support.
3 minutes, 30 seconds. 3
Medic! Number 2, medic! I'm bleeding out over here! Medic, if you don't get up here, you're gonna have to tell my wife and kids why I died.
3 minutes remaining!
Cover me. You cover me.
Nope, you save those.
Cover me. Cover
Come
me.
closer to this corner real quick. Because they're shooting through the van. You know, everyone only gets 2 reps before they have to respawn, right? Cool. Alright, thank you, sir. Got a tactical dive boot real quick.
The one in the middle still good. Was it enough over?
He's right still in the middle. Got one more.
That's the center.
36.
Make sure all the flags are flipped, guys. Flags flipped. Get all the flags up real quick. They're all down.
Hey, I'm out of ammo. I am just shining my light.
All right.
18, 17,
Oh, dude, we got it that time. We got it that time.
All right. Oh, you really got to the canister, didn't
I didn't even go through a mag. Come on.
Nice. Good job.